by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video we are doing a clean with me video. So I just had quite a few things to tackle around the house, as well as deep clean the bathroom as well. So I just wanted to take you guys along and hopefully give you guys some motivation to get something done today. So let's go ahead and get started. So as always, I am making the bed first. Something about a made bed definitely motivates you to move on to the next task. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to clean a few areas within the bedroom, and then we're going to head to the bathroom after that. So to wipe down all my surfaces, I'm using Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray, and then I'm also using my microfiber cloth. This is pretty much what I use all the time. Sometimes I'll switch up the sprays between Mrs. Meyer's and Everspring, but I always use a microfiber cloth to wipe down all my surfaces throughout the house.
Love could pass, tomorrow comes, and you are not around, feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door.
So to deep clean the bathroom, I always start with the sink area, and then I work my way to the toilet, and then I tackle the shower. That's just sort of the routine that I go by. But now I'm just wiping down the mirror, and then I'm going to continue cleaning the sink area. You always want to work top to bottom, and sometimes I always forget that. So that's why I sort of stopped in the middle of what I was doing to clean the mirror. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll tackle the toilet next, and then the shower.
Magic stop for us. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily.
So to clean the toilet, I'll use the toilet bowl cleaner, and then I also buy the refillable sponge things that has the wand that you guys see I'm cleaning with now, and I just purchased that from Target or Walmart, and it comes with like the refillables, but that just seems to work really good on the toilet bowl. It gives it a shine, and it definitely keeps it clean for a fairly long time as well. And then just to wipe down the outside of the toilet, I'm going to use my Mrs. Meyer spray. Sometimes I'll use disinfectant, sometimes I use Mrs. Meyer's. It just sort of depends on the day.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
I actually use toilet bowl cleaner to clean my shower, and of course the all-purpose spray as well. But for some reason I feel like the toilet bowl cleaner definitely gives it a shine, so I'll sort of just squirt the stuff on there and then just use my microfiber mop to wipe it down. I try not to kill my back whenever I'm cleaning the shower, so yeah, definitely using that mop helps get all the debris off. And then I just take the rag, my microfiber cloth, and just wipe it down after that.
Falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
So now we are in the living room. I just want to let some fresh air in, and then we're going to pick up a few things off of the floor, and then I'm also going to dust this area as well. That's one thing I want to make sure I stay on top of this year. I definitely want to make sure I'm like wiping down cabinets and then also dusting the baseboards. I feel like in the previous apartment that I definitely didn't stay on top of it, and it was a lot of buildup whenever we moved out. So I just want to make sure this year I definitely stay on top of, like I said, cleaning the baseboards, and then also making sure like those areas that you normally forget are taken care of quite often.
I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination.
So those two boxes that are right behind me, I ordered 2 nightstands from Article. Article is a furniture online store, so I'm excited to put those in the bedroom. I ordered 2 this time. For the longest time, we've only had 1 nightstand, but I'm excited to put those in the bedroom. And then I also want to purchase 2 lamps as well to go with it. I'm definitely giving like coastal vibes with the design of everything, but I'm excited to see how everything turns out.
To me, once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall.
So I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the rug, and then we're going to dust the baseboards and then mop after that. realize the lighting was that bad whenever I was dusting, so sorry about that, but you definitely can sort of see me dusting the area. So I'm just taking the duster and just wiping down all the baseboards around the living room, and then I do go into the kitchen as well. But if you are enjoying this video so far, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel here. I post on cleaning, organizing, any type of motivation to get something done. If you are needing that type of inspiration in your life right now, you will definitely love it here, and I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube community.
I'm telling you, the sky is blue, the sun is high. I'm sitting here on my own. I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn. Maybe I should take a stroll. And to me that's alright. You know, to me that's alright.
So to mop the floors today, I'm using my wet vac. I know I talk about this quite a bit, but I love this thing. It is the Tineco 2, and I just purchased it from Walmart, but it vacuums and mops at the same time, so I don't have to, you know, vacuum everything and then go back through a mop. It does both of it at the exact same time, and it is just something that has definitely changed the cleaning game for me. One thing that I used to hate to do was mop the, you know, the whole house. It definitely takes up a lot of time and hurts your back and all of that. So I do appreciate this little gadget. So if you are needing something that'll make your job a little bit easier, especially if you have a lot of hardwood floors in the house, you'll definitely love this gadget as well. And like I said, I purchased it at Walmart. It's like, well, at one point in time it was on sale for like $100. I'm not sure now, but and they do have a newer version, but honestly this works great as well.
Mount Laurel high fives for miles in spring.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I hope it inspired you to get something done, and if that is to simply make your bed, I am still proud of you. I will be posting on Sunday as well, so stay tuned for that video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, golden